The clock is frozen at a quarter to 3. The city is humming a symphony. I'm a distant lax eye in the shop front glass, watching the ghosts of the centuries pass. I've got a pocket full of dreams and a heart of gold in a world that's gotten a little too cold. But then you step out of the taxi light and suddenly everything's burning bright.
I've been a melody without a home, a hollow lyric in a monochrome, walking these streets with a heavy stride, with nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. But I hear your voice like a cello string,
and I'm finally ready for the song we sing. It's a vintage kind of magic, a classic spark, cutting a hole through the velvet dark.
The rain is a rhythm, the wind is a choir, the puddles are reflecting the neon fire. Can we stay right here while the record turns, while the candle of the city slowly burns?
Where the imminent soul of the midnight rain,
where the emanating soul,
a jazz hop heartbeat in the grave.
Don't ever let it fade away.
With the saxophone wailing like a lonely child, where the sophisticated heart and the spirit wild. Look at me, darling.
Oh, I'm looking.
Let the world spin by. Between the saxophones crying, the city's roar, I've never felt a rhythm like this before. Now breathtaking,
I know
you're breathtaking.
the clock is frozen. The clock is frozen.
The clock is frozen. The clock is frozen at 2:45, and the city is humming a symphony. The clock is frozen at 2:45, and the city is humming a symphony.
The clock is frozen.